You're watching livingpianos.com, your online piano store. This is a Steinway M from the year my father was born, 1923. This was before the decline of the piano industry in the United States. It was right around this time that radio, the phonograph, then a little bit later, the Great Depression. There were so many things that happened just after the time this piano was manufactured. And to see an instrument like this in this condition is so gratifying. You've got the original ivory keys, which feels so nice. Of course, you can't get that anymore in pianos. But when we have pianos that come in with decent ivories, it's such a pleasure. And more than that, this piano was rebuilt before we got it. I don't know exactly how long ago. It looks fairly recent, the work. And first-class work. As a matter of fact, the whole action has been rebuilt with new repetitions, flanges, shanks, knuckles, new Steinway hammers. The piano's been restrung, new tuning pins. The case is a gorgeous satin mahogany with the classic sprayed lacquer, which is hand rubbed. It's just a joy to play this piano. And I'm going to play three short selections that are very different from one another, so you get a taste of what this piano offers. I'm going to start off with the Scarlatti Sonata, one of his many sonatas in D minor. This is a slow, lyrical one, so you can hear the beauty of the tone and the evenness from note to note. The action to weight is spot on. That's how you know that the Steinway hammers were the right fit for this piano. That isn't always the case, since Steinway specifications changed throughout the years. But they got it right on this, so our technicians didn't have to rip out everything like so many times rebuilds come in and the pianos aren't even worth it. The whole structure can be compromised. That's why it's so nice to find a piano like this. So what else can we play for you? Well, there's a piece I played as a young child and a piece I've taught countless times, and it's one of my favorite little sonatinas. I'm just going to play the first movement of Kuhlau Sonatina, Opus 55, number 2, is it? I hope I get this right. Anyway, it's in C major, I know that. I'm going to play it without the repeats, but the first movement complete. I think it's Opus 55, number 1, now that I'm thinking about it. But anyway, if you've heard this sonatina, you know what it is. Delightful little student piece, but I think it's a worthwhile piece of music, don't you? So now, just to see the other side of the piano, what happens when you put some real energy, I'm just going to play the very beginning of the last movement of Schumann's Carnival. It's a march in 3/4. Pretty strange, huh? Well, it's very cool music. Hope you enjoy. So you've gotten a taste of what this piano offers. Sonically, I wish you could feel the smoothness of the action. Our technicians have really done a concert level regulation and voicing to make everything even throughout all registers from note to note, mechanically and sonically. I hope you like the warm tone. Of course, pianos all brighten up as you play them. As the hammers impact the felt, it gets hardened and you'll see the grooves. Now I like the sound of this very much. And if you're a strong player, you'll appreciate it. If you like a piano to be brighter, just wait. It'll brighten up in the next 6 months to a year after you own it. I hope you've enjoyed this piano, and we welcome all your piano questions here at livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Thanks for joining me today.